If you're just jumping onto Kajabi, you are probably trying to figure out which plan you should choose and how much they cost and what is included in it. In previous videos, we've gone over the first two plans, Kickstarter, which you can check out right here, and Basic, the basic plan, which you can check out right here. Today, we're going to go over the growth plan, and this is my favorite plan because I feel like it serves the most amount of people. Basically, a lot of people start on basic, but then once your business gets to a certain point, it just makes sense to get on growth, and then growth will serve you for a long, long time. It's $159 a month when it's billed annually. If it's billed monthly, it's $199. So I always tell people, if you can do annual, just do it because you save quite a bit, 20%, and it just gets billed once a year. So as little as $159 a month, what do you get? Of course, you get 0% transaction fees. What this means is that you never have to pay transaction fees on Kajabi. When someone buys one of your products, you keep all the money, and that is amazing. A lot of other platforms will charge you as much as a 10% transaction fee, and that's how they have their prices low. A lot of people look at Kajabi's prices and they go, I don't know. I mean, I can get such and such cheaper. Well, here's the thing. A lot of those places, not only are they not as secure and not as feature rich and not as trusted, but they also will charge you when you sell stuff. So if you start selling a lot of volume, you're going to be paying a lot in transaction fees, which you don't want. Unlimited landing pages. This is really good because you do not want to have a limit on the types of landing pages that you can put on your website. Truly, the sky's the limit. You can have sales pages, landing pages, you can have squeeze pages. However you want to look at that type of page, you can do as much of it as you want. Unlimited marketing emails. This is really important because the money is made in the list. And so you want to be able to market to your email list as much as you want. 15 products. This is a big deal. What is a product on Kajabi? Because a lot of people ask, they look at this number 15, they say, is that enough? Is that enough products? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what is a product on Kajabi, and you'll see that 15 is a lot, and you're going to be fine for a long time. But before we dive into that, I want to mention, if you want to jump into Kajabi, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You can get Kajabi for 30 days, plus you get these 3 exclusive bonuses that only come with my link because this is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you join using my link. Kajabi Accelerator course. This course is amazing. Shows you how to get set up completely on Kajabi. The top 3 mistakes new Kajabi users make. The exclusive masterclass. These are the things that I learned helping 400 people, like personally helping 400 people get their start on Kajabi. Had a lot of conversations, one-on-one conversations with people over the last 3 years, and I learned a lot. And it's all in this masterclass that will help you avoid the things that lead to a failure and do the things that lead to success on Kajabi. And then the 25K course launch email template. You get all 3 of those bonuses plus the 30-day free trial when you use my link, and you can be on the growth plan. Now, what is a product? You get 15 of them. What is a product? A product is a course. It's a podcast, it's a community, it's coaching, or it's a newsletter. So you could go crazy. You could have 3 courses, a flagship course, a mini course, a tripwire course. You could have a podcast. You could set up 2 different communities, maybe a paid community and a free community. You can set up a group coaching package and a one-on-one coaching package and have a newsletter, and we aren't out of products. We did 3 here, 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are 8 products, and we have a massive suite of products, and we are just barely over halfway through the product limit. So you can see that the growth plan is going to serve you pretty well for a long time. All right, you get 15 funnels. This is awesome. I love funnels. Funnels are the way that you take a customer on a journey from coming into your ecosystem, maybe through your email list, onto, to different emails and different sales pages to eventually buying one of your products. That's called a funnel. And there's many different kinds of funnels that Kajabi has built based on their research and what they have seen works in all kinds of different ways. You want to do a live event, you got a funnel for that. You want to do an evergreen webinar, there's a funnel for that. You want to do a basic welcome sequence when people sign up to your email list to get your newsletter, and then you want to take them through a funnel to sell them your product. There's a funnel for that, and everything in between. You get 15 of those. And then I always tell people, you can also make your own funnels. You don't have to use the ones that Kajabi provides. You can build your own, and it's pretty simple to do, but they have like a one-click funnel up to 15. 25,000 contacts. You can have up to 20,000 people on your email list, which is awesome. So there's lots of room for growth between the basic and growth. Basic was limited at 10,000. Growth is limited at 25,000, and that's awesome. 10,000 active customers. That's a lot of people. This is paying customers. You can have up to 10,000 of them before you're going to need anything else. One website, Kajabi AI features, and Creator Studio. Now is when we're going to get some more things. The first thing we're going to get is advanced automations. Think of this like conditional automations. This is where it's if then. If the person does this, then do that. If they click on this email, then subscribe them to this email sequence. If they click to go on this landing page, but they don't buy, send them this cart abandonment email. Advanced automations are the name of the game. The affiliate program, which I am a part of, that's an amazing thing. If you have any kind of niche where it would make sense to promote Kajabi, you can promote it through the affiliate program, which is awesome. Custom branding. What that means is you can get rid of that powered by Kajabi button. And then 24/7 support. When I first got on Kajabi, this was all new to me. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I relied on all of the customer support very heavily, and it's instant, and it's a human being, and it's awesome. Love, love, love the 24/7 support. That's the growth plan. If it's right for you, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. I'd love for you to sign up, get all my bonuses, and get going and be successful on the growth plan. If you want to see a great way to structure your business for success and build a live course. This is one of the things that you can do. When you get on the growth plan, you can set up and build out a live cohort course with a small group of people. I did a playlist on how to do it step by step. I tracked my journey. You can find that playlist right here, and I'll see you inside of it. Can't wait to dive into all that with you.